Hi guys. I can breathe. Okay, this is an update on earlier's emergency. You can most people were able to tell in my voice that it was a true emergency, it was a medical emergency, and we needed to get help fast. Well, thanks to a large group of us, we were able to find her, locate exactly where to call, how to do it, and we got an ambulance out to her. Thank God. This community is amazing. I just completely amazing. I did speak with, did you know, I didn't even know this. Wait, before I tell you who I spoke to, you cannot call from the United States, the 911 system in the UK. And for a long time, I was hitting a brick wall with it and getting more and more panicked and more frustrated. But if you don't give up, that's one of the reasons I called out on YouTube. I needed help from the UK, from within. And luckily, we were able to get that. Now, I see some people already know, so there may be, after I put this call out, there may have been multiple groups, because I know people were like trying to get groups and groups of people to help. But I did get off the phone with the police a little while ago, and they were going to dispatch the ambulance from there. So we did everything. The internet did every single thing we can do to get the woman medical attention. It was a serious situation. I'm not going to go into details, but it was very serious. Emergency now situation, and hopefully the ambulance was able to get to her. I don't know if I'm going to make another update for privacy reasons. Hopefully I will be able to. The community is wonderful, and I know on my end who I was working with, and I imagine they're the same people but are using different names, so I'm kind of a little bit what names I'm supposed to use. I think I'm going to use first names. It might be safer. I want to thank Lisa. I can't even tell you I couldn't have gone through this without her. Shell, Artie, thank you. Other people who got information too, but those were the girls that I was working with directly, and so many other people like reached out to me if they can help. So if you really think that you're alone in this world, you're not. And if you think you can hide, you can't, because it was crazy how we were able to get every bit of information we needed to dispatch the emergency in a couple of keystrokes, with everybody finding bits and pieces of the puzzle. So now, just good prayers for our community, and so needless to say, I'm going to be a little bit late with some of my videos. Like, that's never happened before. It seems to be a weekly thing that I'm always overextended. But tomorrow's, or actually today, it's in a couple of hours, I was supposed to put out on my crafting channel a video, because it's Friday. That's going to come out on Saturday. It's gorgeous. I have to just take final pictures of it. It's one of my favorite things I've ever done. And I will be also a little bit late with some other videos that had to be up this... I'm behind now. Let's just face it. I'm behind. So the rest of the night, I am not even going to try to catch up for tomorrow. I am just going to zone out to some Netflix and relax. So I want to thank, again, everybody. Thank you. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Take care. Bye-bye.